Whether you are visiting the Kits tab for the first time or you've made many kits yourself, there are many tools that are available to you to help you manage the existing kits in your project. When you first come to the Kits tab, you'll notice that there are many different kits that have already been loaded into your project. These are kits that we've built into the software that may be helpful to you, but you can also choose to edit them or remove them as you see fit, as well as edit and update your own kits that you have created. There are several things that you can manage about your kits. For one thing, you can rename them. For example, perhaps we would want to come to this top rail kit, which is meant for decks, and rename it to something that would help us see that better. So we'll right-click on it, choose Rename, and add Deck at the front of the name to make it more clear. We click OK, and it's added to our list. We can also make changes to kit usages. Here we'll expand it, choose this 1x3 kit usage, and note that there's several lumber products that are here. So we'll choose Rename and instead call this the Lumber Products Kit Usage. Click OK, and the Lumber Products changes. You can also choose to delete or remove kits or kit usages. Let's say that we don't do any drywall in our business. So we can come to the Ceiling Gyps Slope Kit, click Delete, confirm Yes, and the kit is completely removed from our project. Or perhaps it's just a kit usage that you want to remove. We'll come back to the Roof Decking with Roofing kit that we created, find the 5/8 clips, and decide that our business doesn't use 5/8 clips for roof decking. So we can delete that specific usage kit while still retaining the 1/2-inch clips and the overall Roof Decking with Roofing kit. You are also able to manage the specific properties for a particular kit or kit usage. Over here in this section, you can choose to manage the default settings for a particular application or kit. You can also choose to manage the specific components of a kit or kit usage. You would do this by clicking on the pencil icon for that particular row. And this will bring up the Edit Common Kit Components dialog box where you can make the changes that are needed. Or if a component is no longer needed, you can choose to delete that specific component and remove it from that kit behavior. A final tool that is useful when you are trying to manage kits across multiple files is the import and export of kits. If we come to the toolbar, we can click Export, and a box will appear that will filter our export. If we leave this blank, all kits that are in the kit list will be exported. However, if we choose to enter text, all of the kits that contain text matching what is entered will be exported. In this case, we enter roof decking. And since roof decking with roofing kit is the only one that matches or contains text that matches, only that kit will be exported. We'll click OK and we'll enter a file name, roof decking kits, so that we can find it later. We'll click Save. And now if we were open a different project file at a later time, we can click the Import button, browse to that export file, select it, and choose Open. Using these tools, you can choose to manage your kits and make them much more effective for your takeoff process.